Hello and welcome. I'm delighted you're interested in our engineering innovation programs. My name is Karen Borgsmiller, Assistant Dean of Pre-College Programs at the Johns Hopkins Whiting School of Engineering, where our motto is, "The future is yours." We're dedicated to providing challenging learning experiences that help high school students explore engineering as a potential career path. Let's get started. In the presentation today, we will cover why choose Johns Hopkins University. I'll give an overview of our program offerings, talk about the admissions process, and give some important deadlines. So first, why Johns Hopkins University? Johns Hopkins University ranks number 7 among national universities and is number 12 in best value schools according to U.S. News & World Reports. Next year marks our 150th anniversary as America's first research university. We were founded in 1876. Our Whiting School of Engineering collaborates closely with the Applied Physics Laboratory, where there is important cutting-edge research in artificial intelligence, prosthetic limb development, extreme materials, and space exploration. And finally, Johns Hopkins University is dedicated to pursuing knowledge and discovery for the benefit of the world. Now let's explore our various programs. All engineering innovation programs are developed by Johns Hopkins University, college credit-bearing, focused on real-world problem-solving, have hands-on labs and coding projects, are taught with a 12-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio or less. We offer 4 programs: Explore Engineering Innovation, Biomedical Engineering Innovation, Sustainable Energy Engineering, and Intro to Python. Now we'll talk about each course in sequence. Let's start with the Explore Engineering Innovation program. This course covers 5 engineering disciplines: chemical, civil, electrical, material science, and mechanical engineering. This course has 3 format options: online, which meets for 5 weeks with 3 hours of daily synchronous class time. We have an in-person course with residential and commuting options that meets for 4 weeks, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And finally, we have a hybrid 4-week course with 2 weeks spent online and 2 weeks in person on the Homewood campus. This course has 3 credits, and you may take it for letter grade or SU. There are locations across the U.S., so please visit our website for the full list. This slide contains a student testimonial. The greatest effect overall that EI had on me was that it confirmed and further cultivated my interest in the creative problem-solving aspect of engineering. After EEI, I knew engineering was the right field for me. The next course is Biomedical Engineering Innovation. Students tackle biological, physiological, and medical problems in this introduction to BME. The format is only online for 6 weeks. It is a mostly asynchronous course, but not self-paced. There are 2 or 3 optional study sessions each week and 3 mandatory design reviews. Students may take this course for letter grade or SU. And another student testimonial. BMEI challenged me to think critically every single day. No matter the material, the instructors and assignments consistently challenged me to think on a deeper level than any other courses I've ever taken. There is an incredible sense of accomplishment that I have really not experienced anywhere else. The next course is Sustainable Energy Engineering. Students study the science, engineering, and policies behind current energy production methods. This course has 2 format options: online for 5 weeks, where students meet 3 hours daily, an in-person residential or commuter option that meets 4 weeks from 9 to 3. This course carries 3 credits, and students may take it for letter grade or satisfactory, unsatisfactory. Classes meet Monday through Friday, and there are multiple locations across the country. And here's another student testimonial. For me, engineering isn't just math and science and problems. It also involves social and economic aspects like marketing and budgeting and politics. Because it includes so many things, engineering is a very important thing in society because you're not just solving math problems, you're actually changing the world with the things that you're doing. The final course is Intro to Python. Learn programming fundamentals in this mostly asynchronous course. The format is only online and it lasts 6 weeks. There is one optional study session, and video lectures include real-world programming projects. This course is offered for 1 credit with an SU grading option only. We are working now to get a quote from our first cohort of Intro to Python students. What we heard informally from them was that they found the video lectures to be easy to understand and very helpful. They also found the programming projects challenging, rewarding, and based on real-world scenarios. Now we'll discuss the application requirements. There are short essays. There is 1 required essay and 1 optional essay, and the prompts are found in the application. We also require 1 teacher recommendation. Ask a math, science, engineering, or computer science teacher if they would be willing to complete a recommendation form. If they agree, add their email address to your application and we will send them an email asking them to complete the online recommendation form. We also need a copy of your official transcripts. Have your high school send these to us, including your grades from the last semester. We require that transcripts are sent directly to us from your school. English proficiency test scores. We only require official test scores for English proficiency. If you have not attended a high school where English is the primary language of instruction for the last 3 years, you will need to forward English language testing scores. And now we'll discuss eligibility. This course is open to current high school students and recent high school graduates. We are looking for students who have A's and B's in their math and science courses. Students must have completed Algebra 2, but there are additional course-specific requirements as well. For Explore Engineering Innovation and Biomedical Engineering Innovation, a course in which the trigonometric functions are taught, students must be comfortable using sines and cosines to solve right-angle triangles. For Explore Engineering Innovation, we ask for high school chemistry or physics, a year-long equivalent, including a lab component where you collect and analyze data and write lab reports. For Biomedical Engineering Innovation, you must have completed physics with a lab. For Sustainable Energy Engineering and Intro to Python, you must have completed any full-year high school science course with a lab. EEI is offered in the summer only. It is a 4-week in-person course or a 5-week online course. Biomedical Engineering Innovation is offered in the summer, fall, and spring. During the summer, it is a 6-week online course, and in the fall and spring, it is 12 weeks online. Sustainable Energy Engineering is offered in the summer only, 4 weeks in person or 5 weeks online, and the Intro to Python is offered year-round, fall, spring, and summer for 6 weeks. Let's discuss program costs. For the in-person programs, there is an application fee, there is course tuition. If you're a residential student, there are residential fees. If you're a commuter student, there are commuter lunch fees. If you're taking this course online, there is an application fee, a tuition fee, and a lab kit fee for Explore Engineering Innovation, Biomedical Engineering Innovation, and Sustainable Energy Engineering. We have a whole series of deadlines. It's best to go to the website to see these. For each term, we offer an early decision deadline. Any application that is submitted and has all required materials, teacher recommendation, transcript, essay, and financial aid requests, by that deadline will be reviewed and issued a decision within 3 weeks. After the early decision deadline, applications will be reviewed on a rolling basis until the program is full or we reach the final deadline. We have an international student deadline. If you're an international student who will be traveling to the U.S., there's an early deadline so you have time to secure your appropriate visa. We have an online lab kit deadline. If you're taking an online course and need a lab kit to be shipped outside the contiguous United States, there is an early deadline to ensure your kit arrives in time for the first day of the program. And finally, financial assistant deadlines. There really isn't a deadline. We encourage you to apply early because our funding is not unlimited. Thank you for your interest. For more information, you can visit our website, ei.jhu.edu, email us at ei@jhu.edu. There are extensive resources on our website, including student testimonials. Please don't hesitate to contact us with questions. I look forward to your participation in one of our programs.